Today's another day looking for a building in a business park, an industrial business park. We have another package.
Oh.
How much does this one weigh?
Forward air. This one's only 90 pounds, so not as bad.
90 pounds. Not as bad. So the key to installing a roof rack is you gotta blast
Russian hard bass.
You gotta blast Russian hard bass.
All about Russian hard bass.
Hopefully we can get some royalty-free hard bass to play.
PROTIVOGAZ, все люди смотрят на нас, полоски в ритм бас, just like rock, газ, маск, shake it and making a fuss, всегда все смотрят на нас, полоски в ритм бас, just like rock, газ, маск. PROTIVOGAZ.
So there we have it, the roof rack's installed. It looks pretty good. Check it out. Nice.
Yeah, it took a lot of hard work, but we're here, man. We're here.
Honestly pretty easy to install it. We just threw it up there. We're about to go test it on the freeway. So we kind of messed up. We made it so we can't open the doors, but it's fine. It's holding up nicely. We've got a nice jungle of cords. Done. We good?
We're good. Oh, like a race car driver.
Все люди смотрят на нас, полоски в ритм бас, just like rock, газ, маск, shake it and making a fuss, всегда все смотрят на нас, полоски в ритм бас, just like rock, газ, маск.
Alright, welcome to another episode of Rick Brothers. Today we have the
Uamee roof rack.
Uamee roof rack.
G-A-M-I-V-I-T-I.
Sounds very Italian.
Very Italian sounding, even though it's out of Colorado.
It is.
Yeah, it's out of Colorado. It's out of Boulder, I think.
It's out of Colorado.
But yeah, man, they were very, actually they were like super accommodating with all their customer service stuff, like cool company. But we got this rack, we got some towers that are going in the gutters of the car. And hopefully it's just like plug and play easy towers on there, rack on top of them, tighten it up.
We're here in the Office Max parking lot.
Yes, we are in the Office Max parking lot.
Just gonna get her done.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into it.
Sure. Ooh, wait, that's something. Look at that, how it does that.
Results for a tutorial on how to do this, or instructions in any form, have come up inconclusive. So we're just gonna start mocking it up and go for it. Yeah, which is that?
This somehow is missing.
Alright, so we've got all of them assembled.
Yep.
On to the last one.
Just show you how
It works, I guess.
pretty much these two bolts are gonna go in here, right? And then you have this plate, which goes on the back like this. So the rack's gonna sit on top of here. And then you bolt these into the back. So this piece, right, this threads into here. up through here, and then this little clamping part clamps on to the gutters that are on the rain gutters that are on the side of the car. And that should do the trick. Pretty simple.
Does that go the other way maybe?
I'm trying to not destroy the side molding. Okay, so we got the rack on the actual towers, right? It looks really good. It's a really nice white finish, so I'm really excited about that. Really quality stuff there. So pretty much what the plan is now is we're gonna take these bolts, and then there's a little opening on top of this piece of metal here that lines up with an opening on the bracket. I'm just on the roof rack. I'm just gonna take the bolts, we're gonna drop them in there, holding it in place, try to start tightening everything up, see how it goes. What you got going on there, Martin?
So we're working on the underside of those top bolts, getting that in there. It's kind of hard fighting gravity. Oh, yeah. We have 40 things to tighten in total, and 1 Allen.
And we have 10 minutes to do it.
We have 10 minutes. We are almost done. We're removing the protective underlaying.
The white coating was cool, but
One big piece.
yeah, I'm running into this. I like some
Матрешка.
We're all installed. Our Uamee VD roof rack. Big shout out to Uamee VD.
Big shout out to Uamee VD.
Yeah, hooking it up with the roof rack. Props to them.
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty good.
It looks great.
Yeah, I'm happy. It's like clean, it's sleek, it's low to the top of the car, which is kind of what I wanted. Was that it would like do the job but not take up a lot of space. I'm overall pretty happy with it. Biggest regret with the buy would be no sticker.
Yeah.
No sticker. That's the only thing with their kit, with their package that could have been better.
If you're watching this, Uamee VD, send us a sticker and
Yeah, it'd be cool or whatever. But yeah, overall, I mean, pretty easy. Easier than the sliders, like real bolt-in, real simple. That's about it.
if you enjoyed this video,
You have options. One of them is like.
drop a like, drop a subscribe,
A comment.
drop a comment.
Drop a dislike, drop it unsubscribe. All those. Those are all your options.
Do it all.
All of them.
Alright, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Going high this time.
Yeah, that was a good one. That hurt.
Peace. So along with having no tools or knowledge, we also have limited camera equipment. We're gonna head over to the dumpster and grab a tripod.
Grab a tripod from the dumpster. There's that nice chair box
chair
there.
box.
There's one high. Oh, there's a Christmas tree. We can put this
I like
upside
that.
down.
Yeah, we can put it on its side, on the long
There's
side.
a little moisture in it, but it'll do the trick.
As long as it'll hold.
Yeah.